So I just thought I'd hop on here and do a little bit of painting. I'm in the middle of creating a couple of pieces for our new place because we're going to be moving soon, and rather than go buy everything decoration wise, I'm going to just make a couple things. So I found these letters. They're just wooden letters in Deals or Poundland, whatever. So of course I got my favorite word, fuck, and I think I'm gonna keep them mostly white, but then add some black spider webs to them because I kind of want to go with a theme. I have my little spider web sugar bowl here. I'll be doing more porcelain pieces. I want to have a full tea set, so I'll record that too if you want. I did a poll on Instagram and people want to see the video, so I think this is just going to be a time lapse, but enjoy, I guess. Another angle change. So I'm just painting the edging and getting it all over my desk and all over my hands because I'm a messy artist. If you hear my dog grumbling, there's someone driving outside my house and how dare they. So I'm just going to paint the edging around each letter, maybe 2 coats, and then I'm going to do the spider webs on the front. I think I'm going to paint the back black as well, just because I can only apparently be neat with one side and not the other, so the back's going to be black. But nobody's going to see the back of it anyway, so it's fine. These things to dry, I do have this little coffin box that I got in the works last Halloween that I never did anything with it. At least I think it was in the works, but it's just a cute little coffin box that I keep my washi tapes in, and it's a bit boring. So I think I'm gonna do some black and white stripes on it and then maybe paint the inside a different color. I don't know, but it's a good thing I have a lot of tape to use to line the whole thing with. So I gotta move this out of the way so I don't knock off it. How I'm gonna do that while it's wet, I don't know. I think here's dry enough to pick it up. Okay, I'm gonna move it over here. here they are, all finished and ready to be displayed. I'm really happy with how they turned out.